Narrated Hassan, knowledge is of two types. Firstly, knowledge perceived by the heart, and that is useful knowledge. Secondly, the knowledge on the tip of one's tongue. And that is an argument from Allah, the Exalted and Glorious, against the children of Adam. Al-Tirmidhi Hadith 270. Narrated Abdullah bin Amr, I heard the Prophet, peace be upon him, saying, Allah will not deprive you of knowledge after He has given it to you, but it will be taken away through the death of the religious learned men with their knowledge. Then there will remain ignorant people who, when consulted, will give verdicts according to their opinions, whereby they will mislead others and go astray.